Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today is a very special day for my Guru Sampradaya because today is Dattatreya Jayanti and also it is Dattatreya, last day of Dattatreya Navratri. It is special because my Avaduta Guru was an avatara, a Guhya avatara of Ekamukhi Dattatreya. That is, he was secretly, he was the one-faced Dattatreya who took his rebirth in a very secret fashion without revealing that he was a Tattavatara. And he had the siddhi of all the Saptakoti Mahavidyas. He had done a lot of sadhana of all the tantras, that is the 64 tantras, the Shabad tantras, and all the Upanishadic Vakyas and all the practices from the Vedas. But during the last phase of his sadhana, he did Dattatreya sadhana. And my Atma Guru Deviparam Guruji is an Amsha of Ladini Devi, who is one of the inner concerts of Dattatreya. So I have a special connection to Dattatreya Sampradaya. And besides that, myself and my gurus, they are invoked to the Guru Paduka mantra. In the Paduka mantra, Datta is explicitly present. And then Dattatreya is also, he is the source for all the emanations of the Navanathas, the 9 Nathas. The foremost being Gorakhnatha, who was one of the instrumental in giving moksha to my Avaduta Guru. And Dattatreya is also a mantra drashta for all the Saptakoti Mahamantras which flowed from his Paduka. Mantra drashta as in all the mantras were revealed to him by the Divine Mother. Dattatreya himself did Dasha Mahavidya Sadhana, but he gave only Diksha of Lalita Tripurasundari, that is Sri Vidya, to his foremost disciples Parshurama Muni and Kartavirya Arjuna. He did not give Upasana Diksha of Kali and other Dasha Mahavidyas. The reason only he knows. He himself is the Divine Mother, and he took we consider him as a masculine form of Lalita Tripurasundari. That's about it. Om Tat Sat.